Is there really only one sun? Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada's statements saying there is only one sun in the universe and the twinkling stars reflect the light of the sun is of course challenging for the scientifically minded. After all, modern astronomers say that about 10% of all stars in the galaxy are suns, stars with planets, and they are independent sources of light. It obviously depends on one's definition of sun, but let's look into this. Metaphorically speaking, our sun holds a uniquely powerful influence in astrology and controls the function of sight. From the Vedic scriptural perspective, we understand that the sun is the eye of the Supreme Lord in his virat-rupa form. It holds a unique position in terms of his special relationship with Lord Vishnu in his personalized form as Surya Narayan. Savito's soul alone inspires all life in this universe. The sun is a visual focus for Brahmanas when chanting Gayatri. But let's bring in contemporary science. Due to the enormous size of the universe, when we see the stars, we are seeing something from the past. Some stars we see as they were billions of years ago, so in that sense there is only one sun in the relative here and now. Scientific research exploring unique features of our sun uncovered some interesting facts. The mixing of dark and light photons emanating from our sun may strongly influence our assessment of distant stars. Consistent with Jiva Goswami's Krama-sandarbha, the Kuiper belt surrounding our solar system may seriously alter the metric of light as it passes through that region. Coronal mass injections, magnetic fields with dangerous charged particles, are common to most stars, but they influence our solar system only when coming from the sun, whose flares remain mild enough not to endanger life on Earth. It's a unique balance. A quick survey of the famous Goldilocks zone underscores the unique fine-tuning involved in the functioning of our solar system. Perhaps only one sun can mean only one solar system that can harbour advanced gross physical life forms, like us. Some examples. Earth. Shifting the size, distance from the sun or axial tilt by small amounts would practically end life as we know it. The Moon. Changing our nearest neighbour's uniquely large relative size, even slightly, or a minor shift in its orbital mechanics, would alter tides and moonshine intensities, producing devastating disruptions of climate conditions and ecosystems. Jupiter's relatively large distance from the Sun optimizes its ability to shepherd and absorb asteroids harmful to the Earth and other space flotsam with its strong gravitational pull. With a mass 318 times that of the Earth, it has been given the nickname the vacuum cleaner, and Jupiter's gravitational influence actually helps stabilize the entire system. Saturn, which patrols the more outer regions of the solar system, is like Jupiter's smaller assistant, and Uranus and Neptune help maintain an equilibrium with the Kuiper belt. Conclusion. Although other stars in our universe may resemble some of our Sun's various features and emit light, further research along the lines of these preliminary conclusions could establish Sol, the centre of our local solar system, as uniquely individual, and thus in that sense award it the distinction as the only sun.